So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the online software called Placeit, which lets you create custom images that feature your products on them that you can use for your website or for paid advertising or social media. So we're going to be talking about more of why that's important in this video, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Elle McCann if you're new here, and I have been a Shopify expert for over 6 years now. If you've already been a subscriber to this channel, thanks so much for watching another video. I really appreciate you. So in this video, we are going to be talking about Placeit, which is an online software that lets you actually upload an image of your actual product design, and then you can put it on different images that are already ready. So you can put it on things like t-shirts, notebooks, blankets, pillows, different home decor pieces like that are really helpful if you're doing a print-on-demand business that you can create custom product images for. So why is this important? Let's start off with that. So the main reason why this is important to do is that it's going to more quickly resonate with your ideal customer. For example, if you had a t-shirt that featured a dog on it and that was your style of your actual product design, and you just had it on a white background, okay, that's whatever. But if you instead had it featured on an actual model that had a dog next to them, it's going to very quickly resonate with your ideal customer, and they're going to quickly kind of give it a pause when they're scrolling through things, which is super important because people are just constantly scrolling through social media and are quickly overlooking ads. So this is a way that you can make your ad look more like a social post, and it also ties in everything really nicely on your website. So I really highly recommend the Placeit software because it just makes it super easy. It's a really quick process. All you do is upload a transparent PNG of your design. Then you can choose from any number of photos to put it on. They have a great way to sort through to find photos that are going to work really nicely for you. And then it quickly adds it into the design and you can download it from there. So it's a super quick process, but I'm going to hop into my computer screen now. If you want to follow along, I've got a link in the description below to where you can find the Placeit site if you want to follow along with me and create your own custom image now. So we are now at the Placeit website, which I will put a link in the description below if you want to follow along with me. But you can see along the top here all the different options that they have that you can add your design onto. So for this example, let's head over to t-shirts. And as you scroll down the page here, you can see all different types of t-shirt images that they have already. And the really cool thing is whenever you hover over it, you can see a default design add-in, just so you can see how the placement falls on the model that is wearing it. So what we can do now is we can narrow down the image that we want to use. So you can either do that by going on the left-hand side and choosing if you just want to feature it on babies, for example, or have it with some kind of theme like baseball. You can definitely do that. Or you can also search in this search bar up here. So we can search these existing templates by just typing in, let's do dog and keep with our example. And so now it has loaded all of the different images that they have of people with dogs. So you can see again, you're going to have a lot more of a social post that you see, and it's going to feel not really as much like an ad because you've got a model wearing your t-shirt that has your design on it, as well as a dog that is going to grab people's attention. So we can go ahead and let's just click on one here. And now we're going to actually add in our design to see how that looks. So now we are going to hit upload image and we are going to select it from our desktop. And you can see here that it has a white background, what it looks like in the file. However, this is a PNG file and it is a transparent PNG. So that means that there's actually no background element in it so that we can make sure that it looks correctly once we add it to the actual shirt. So we'll go ahead and hit open. And now it's brought it in and we can actually choose where we want it to be placed. So I want it to be a little bit higher up on the shirt. So we're gonna move it up a little bit. You could also resize it and shrink it down, but let's go ahead and say crop and we'll see how it looks on the shirt mock-up now. So it looks good in terms of width. I may scale it down just a tiny bit to make sure that it really looks how my exact design looks, as well as move it up just a little bit higher as well. So to do that, we're going to click on this crop, and I'm going to scale this down just a tiny bit and also move it up. Again, we're trying to make it look like your actual shirt design, so that way if they order from the ad, they're not going to be confused whenever they get it and it looks different. Okay, that's looking pretty good for our example here, and you can see why it's important to upload a transparent background, because you can actually change the shirt color. So we could change it to, let's do a light cream, and now you can see that you can actually change the shirt design color without having to change the image itself. So we could go in, we're gonna take that back to white for now, and we could go ahead and actually download it. Now to do this, you will have to have a subscription, as you can see here. It's $7.95 an image, they're saying, or a subscription, which the subscription I believe is only $14 a month, so a lot cheaper if you were going to be doing multiple images. But now you can just download this image here and use it in your ads. And it's really nice because, you know, as you can see with the image I picked, it has a husky dog and also a husky dog in the image. So it's just going to be a lot more captivating than just seeing this white t-shirt design on a white background in your store. It just gives a lot more of appeal to it, either for social images, ads, or just your website images as well. And that's all you have to do to create these images. Again, you would just go through and download, but as you can see here, if you have a print-on-demand store and you're offering a lot of different products, they have a lot of different options, so you could go through and start customizing a cool stylized image for all of the products that you have. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful and are going to be creating some custom images for your products you can share online as well. I would love to know what kind of products that you are designing and what photos that you're really gravitating towards. So make sure to comment in the comment section below and let us know. Also, we've got more videos coming out all about Shopify and how to grow your e-commerce store. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and check out some recent videos over here that we think you might like as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.